In this problem, we have to evaluate cosine of alpha minus beta. In a previous video, I already covered how to find the angle sum and difference identities for sine. And we should find ways to relate sine to cosine. And we do have an identity for the relationship between sine and cosine. We know that the sine of 90 degrees minus alpha equals to the cosine of alpha. So using this, we can get that the cosine of alpha minus beta equals to the sine of 90 degrees minus alpha minus beta. And this will just equal to the sine of 90 degrees minus alpha plus beta. And now, we can apply the identity that sine of x plus y equals to sine x cosine y plus sine y cosine x. Then, if we let x as 90 degrees minus alpha and y as beta, then we'll get that the cosine of alpha minus beta will equal to the sine of 90 degrees minus alpha plus beta. And after applying the identity, this will equal to sine of 90 degrees minus alpha times cosine of beta plus the sine of beta times the cosine of 90 degrees minus alpha. And finally, since the sine of 90 degrees minus alpha equals to cosine of alpha, so this will equal to cosine alpha times cosine beta plus sine beta times sine alpha, because the cosine of that 90 degrees minus alpha equals to the sine of alpha. And that is how you evaluate cosine alpha minus beta.